Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In last sessions, you have learned how to create different geometries, how to use the editing tools, and how to dimension your drawings. Now, we will see how we can import a PDF file to the AutoCAD file, which has a DWG extension. We will go to Insert, and here we will click this icon. Now we select the PDF file that we want to import. We will simply press OK to go with the standard options. You can see it will take some time and show the status at the right bottom corner. And boom, here we have imported the PDF file, and you can see all the attributes are right in its place. You can see different type of layers, different colors. Each and everything is now successfully imported. So it is not necessary for each time you have to recreate an entire drawing. If you have a good format with a good resolution in PDF, you can simply import it with this option. This feature is very handy sometimes when you don't have the source file but you have a PDF file. So it was just a trick for you that could be very useful in future. This was all about this session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.